Hello everyone, with the same chapter circles. In the last video we had discussed some questions from NCERT. Now we are going to discuss some more questions from NCERT and also some queries. Now the question number 10th is there. 9th, 11th and 13th we already discussed. Now this is the question number 10. Prove that between the two tangents drawn from an external point of a circle is supplementary to the angle subtended by the line segment joining the points of the contact at the center. This is given. So figure will be like this. This is the circle and this P is the external point and PA and PB are two tangents. This is the circle. So let PA and PB be two tangents drawn from an external point P to the circle with center O. Now the same theorem is there that we have discussed in the very first video of the circle. So we can write here, since the tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius. This theorem we did in the first video. Through the point of contact. This is given. So what we have now, if since the tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius, so this is the radius and this is the tangent, so this complete angle will be 90 degree. This one also will be 90 degree. So what we have here angle OAP is equals OBP. Angle OBP is equals 90 degree. Suppose this is the first equation. Now we have, this is a shape of a quadrilateral PAOB. So in quadrilateral OAPB, we can apply the angle sum property. So what we will write? Angle APB. This is angle APB. This angle plus angle AOB. This angle AOB. This one plus angle OAP plus angle OBP is equals 360 degree. Here we can write angle sum property of quadrilateral. So angle APB as it is plus angle AOB as it is plus OAP is 90, OBP also 90. So this 90 becomes 180, that is 360. Here we will write using first. So angle APB plus angle AOB is equals 360 minus 180. So what we have? Angle APB plus angle AOB is equals 180. So this we want to prove. So at last you will write hence, and then this statement you can take it from the book. Hence we can write here, this is the angle between the two tangents drawn from an external point to a circle is supplementary to the angle subtended by the line segment joining the point of the contact at the center. After this, we are going to discuss the longest question of this exercise. This is given. The figure is also given. A triangle ABC is drawn to circumscribe a circle of radius 4 cm is given such that the segment BD and DC, this is BD and DC, is divided by the point of contact D, R of length 8 cm and 6 cm respectively. Find the side AB, AB and AC. Okay. So here we have the figure. In this question, this is given a triangle. This is ABC. And here is the tangents are given, that is PQR. It is given PQR. This is P, let P, Q and R. Here I have written P. In book this is given D. So no problem, I can write here P. So let the inner circle of a circle triangle ABC, let the inner circle of a triangle ABC with circle center O and radius R touches its sides AB at Q, AB at Q, BC at P and CA at R respectively. And also it is given that BP is equals to 6 centimeter. What is given here? BP is equals to 6 centimeter and this is BC and this is PC. It is given 8 centimeter. Okay. So longest question, very lengthy question. So what we will write here now, since the tangent from an external point to a circle or to the circle are equal. We know this. Since the tangent from external point to the circle are equal. Hence, if we see this B is the external point, then this BQ and this BP both will be equal. If this is 6 centimeter, this one also be 6 centimeter. And this one is 8. C is the external point. If this is 8, then CR will also be 8 centimeter. All are in centimeter. So we can write here BQ is equals BP is equals 6 centimeter, cause we will write tangent from B. Similarly, we can write CR is equals to CP is equals to 8 centimeter. Reason we can write tangents from C. Now, this third side is not given. So what we will write here, this is the external point A, then AQ and AR will be equal from external point. Both the tangents will be equal. So suppose this side is X centimeter and this one also be X centimeter. So here we'll write let AQ is equals to AR is equals to X centimeter. We will write tangents from A. Okay. Now what we are going to do here? Actually, we want this side. So what method we are going to apply here? So first we will find the area of this triangle with the help of Heron's formula. Area of this complete triangle ABC with the help of Heron's formula. For this we are required all the sides. So all the sides first we will find. So here we have, so AB is equals to 6 plus X. This is 6 plus X centimeter. Then BC 6 plus 8, that is 14 centimeter. Then AC, this is 8 plus X. You can write X plus 8 also, no problem at all. AC is equals to, this is 8 plus X centimeter. All the three sides we have. If we want to apply the Heron's formula here, so we are required S. What is S? The semi-perimeter. So for that we are required AB plus BC plus AC divided by 2. So AB is 6 plus X, BC is 14, AC is 8 plus X divided by 2. So what we will get here? This will get 6 plus 14 plus 8. This is 28. X plus X, 2X. 2X plus 28 divided by 2. We can take 2 common from here. So X plus 14 divided by 2. So this 2 can be cut. So we will have only S is equals to X plus 14 centimeter. Now we will apply the formula. Area we can find is equals under root. We have S. that is x plus 14. Then we have s minus a. X plus 14 minus a is 6 plus x. So we can write 6 plus x. Bracket close. Then we have s minus b. S is x plus 14. B is given here 14 minus 14. And then we have s minus c. S is x plus 14 and c we have 8 plus x. This is 8 plus x. Got it? Okay. The next step. Area is equals under root x plus 14. First x plus 14 as it is. If we open the bracket here, so x plus 14 minus 6 minus x. This we have. Here this 14 can be cancelled and we are having only x. Here also x plus 14 minus 8 minus x. So area is equals under root x plus 14. If we subtract here, this x can be cancelled and 14 minus 6 is 8. This is x and here is x cancelled. 14 minus 8 is 6. Okay. So what we have here? 8 6 are 48. This is under root 48. 8 6 are 48. 48x into x plus 14. This we have. Till here I think this is clear to you. So suppose this is the first equation. Okay. Now we have found the area of this triangle with the help of Heron's formula. But to which we have to compare this? For that, what we will do here, we will join this, the contact point. This is the radius. If we join here, this side, we can join here, this side and this side also and this side also, all the three sides. So now what point we have got here? Since you know that since the tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. This is given. Okay. So all these points, this angle and this angle all are 90 degree. So what we are going to do, if we join here these points, this point to C and this point to A. So we will join here. So all these points, all these angle. So angle, this is O, angle OQB is equals angle OPC is equals angle OPC and ORA. All these equals to 90 degree. Got it? Now we are having, to which we have to compare this area. For that we are having here three triangles. This triangle, this one and this triangle. And the remaining one. We are having three triangles. This one, and this red part and this triangle. All these three triangles we have. We will find their areas with the help of the formula 1 upon 2 base into height. This one and this one. And then we will add all these three. So area of these three triangles, the sum of these three triangles, the area of the sum of these three triangles will be equal to the area of this triangle. So now we are going to find the area of triangles. So area, we can write here, area of ABC is equals to area of AOB plus area of BOC plus area of AOC. This we have taken. This is AOB, BOC and AOC. So that we have 1 upon 2 into base. What is the base of this triangle? The base of triangle is 6 plus x. And height is the radius, that is given 4 plus this is 1 upon 2 BOC. The base of BOC is 14. This is 14 and the height is 4. 1 upon 2 area of this triangle. The base is 8 plus x and height is again 4. So we can cut this, or we can take 1 upon 2 and 14 common from all. Your choice by which method you want to solve. So I am cutting here all the 4 by 2. So this part we are having here twice of 6 plus x, twice of 14 and twice of 8 plus x. That we are having multiplied inside 12 plus 2x plus 28, 16 plus 2x. So that we are having 2x plus 2x, that is 4x plus, if we add this we are having here 56. So this is of centimeter square. Now using 1, area of ABC, that we have 48x into x plus 14. This is 48x into x plus 14 is equals 4x plus 56. Got it till here? So both, first we have found here the area of the triangle ABC with the help of Heron's formula. Then we have joined here all the vertices with the center and the perpendicular. Then we got 3 triangles. The area of the sum of these 3 triangles is equals to the area of the triangle ABC. So we got this answer till here. Now we have to solve this for x. So squaring of both sides. We will write here is squaring of both sides. This side we have 48x, x plus 14 is equals to 4x plus 56 whole square. That we got. Then after, what we have to do? We have here 48x, x plus 14, 4x plus 56 that we got here. Now this will be as it is, 48x plus 14. Calculation is your own. How can you do it? So I am taking 4 common from here inside, x plus, here we have 14 inside the bracket, square is still there. So 48x, x plus 14 is equals to, now open the square, 4 becomes 16 and x plus 14 whole square as it is. Now this time 16, this 48 can be cut by 3 times. So 3x we are having here. 3x into x plus 14 is equals to, whole square we can open, or we can cut 1 square power with x plus 14. So 3x is equals to x plus 14. So 3x minus x is equals to 14. So 3x minus 2x, that we have here, 2x is equals to 14 and x is equals to 7. Or you can open the bracket, then the big equation we have, then we can apply the middle term split and we get the answer. X is equals to 7. We have to find here AB and AC. AB, that we have as 6 plus x. X is 7. So this is 6 plus 7. So 13 centimeter. And AC is 8 plus x. That is 8 plus 7, 15 centimeter. This we got. Now one more question I have got. this is the query that I have got from somebody. So O is the center of a circle of radius 5 centimeter. This is the circle of radius 5 centimeter. T is a point such that OT, this is OT, this one is O. OT is 13 centimeter and OT intersect the circle at E, this one. If AB is the tangent, this is AB is the tangent to the circle at E, find the length of AB. So again the same theorem is there. Since the tangent, you have to write here your own, since the tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. Okay, TP is a tangent here and OP is the radius. So this will be the perpendicular. So after writing the statement, you will write the statement here and then you will get OP is perpendicular to TP. OP is perpendicular to TP. Now this is 90 degree. 90. So this triangle becomes right triangle. So in right triangle OPT, we will apply the Pythagoras theorem. That is OP square, this is OP square plus TP square is equals to OT square. So we will find here TP. TP square is equals to OT square minus OP square. TP that we have to find, OT is given, this is 13 centimeter, OP is given 5 centimeter. So TP square is equals to 169 minus 25, that we have got 144. So TP is equals to under root 144, that is 12 centimeter. Okay, so this is important. TP is 12 centimeter that we have got here. Now, since the length of tangent, second theorem we are using. First theorem was that the tangent, the radius is perpendicular to the tangent. Now the second theorem we are going to use in this question, since the length of tangent drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. Okay, you can write this statement. Since the length of tangents from external point are equal. Okay, so we will let here, this is the external point, so AE and AP, AE and AP, if we let it as X, this one will be also X. So here we will write AP is equals to AE is equals to X centimeter tangents from A. Okay, now AT, we will write here AT, this is AT. So AT is equals to, we can write that PT minus AP, PT minus AP, AT, this is AT, we can write here PT minus AP. PT that we have found here 12, that is 12. AP we have let here as X centimeter. Okay, this is our AT. Now similarly we can find here ET, because we are coming in this bracket, we are coming here. So AT we found, now we will find ET. ET we can write as OT minus OE. OT, this is complete OT, 13 centimeter. OE is the radius itself, so this one also be 5 centimeter. So this is 8 centimeter. So ET we got here 8 centimeter. Okay, so this angle will also be 90, because this is the radius and this is the tangent. This is 90. So if this is 90, this one also be 90. So we can write is here angle AEO plus angle AET is equals to 180 that is the linear pair. Okay, so angle AEO is given here 90 degree. Angle AET is equals to 180. So angle AET is equals to 90 also. So this angle is also 90. Now we will apply Pythagoras in this triangle. In triangle AET, we can apply the Pythagoras. That is AE square. This is AE square plus ET square is equals to AT square. That is AT square. AE, that we have x square already let. ET we have here 8 square, and AT was our 12 minus x. Now we will solve for x. X हमारे पास आ जाएगा, and we know that also by the theorem that we have read in our 9th class also. This is the perpendicular, and this we have done already. We have done this theorem. This is the perpendicular, and the perpendicular will be bisect the tangent here. So we got x square plus 64 is equals to, open the bracket, 144 plus x square and minus 24x. Okay, so this x square can be cancelled out. This 24 transpose this side, 64 that side. 24x, 144 minus 64, 24x, 4 minus 4 0, this is 80, and x is equals to 80 by 24, that is 10 by 3. 8 से cancel हो जाएगा this time. So BE will also be same, that is x bisected है, तो हमारे पास आ जाएगा AB is equals to, this is AB, AE plus BE, AE plus BE. AE is 10 by 3, this is also 10 by 3, so we'll get answer as 20 by 3. So this question we can do like this. So all the rest questions of NCERT try to do in the notebook along with these questions. This extra question also you have to do in the notebook. If there is any query, you can send me your queries personally. Thank you so much.